Alright, what's going on, guys? Jamo TV HD. Excuse me for my cough. I'm going to be coughing all the way through this review. But we've got the Mugo headphones. We're going to just give them a little unboxing so you guys can see what's going on. What does it say on there? IPX7, noise cancellation, HD and that. Let's just... Oh, okay. What have I dropped? Right. Okay, got a bit of booklet there. And is it in English though? It looks like it's in English. There you go. Yes, we've got some English instructions going on there. Lovely jubbly. In here we've got a cable. Looks like, I don't know what this looks like actually. What is this? Oh, okay. It's a lightning cable or lightning port for iPhone. And this looks like it does something as well. Let's just see what that does. Oh, it's hard to do this in one hand. One sec. Ah, okay. So this doubles as a micro USB for your average Android phone. I mean, it's usually micro USB-C now, but you know, it's always good for like if you've got an old-fashioned phone and then you've got a normal. Oh, you've got a normal USB. Oh, come on, one hand on this end. That's kind of cool. Right, what else we got in here? We got some spare ear tips if you've got the different size ears. I'm not sure what this bit is here. This black bit. Looks like it goes on the cable though, so it must do something. But yeah, got 4 spare ear tips there. I'm assuming that's medium and large, extra large. And this is the carry case itself. Looks kind of cool. Let's get that open. These one-handed reviews. Wow. The technology is really there. Oh, you got some stuff here. Live support apparently. Turn over to register. Let me just show you that. Oh, okay. It's all good. It says turn over to register, but there's nothing on the back. And yeah, you can't turn the page. So turn over to register, but there's nothing there. Bit awkward. Here we go. That's the headphones in there. Not as awkward as this one-handed review though. You've got another micro USB cable in there for charging, I'm assuming. And these are the headphones themselves. So yeah, they don't look that bad. Feel kind of cool. Yeah, kind of dope, Got the little bit that fits over your ears here. Let's have a look at this bit here as well. Yeah. Okay, so I guess I'll wear them now and see how they feel. Alright guys, here's the headphone right here. Let's try and put them on and see how easy it is, especially with glasses. That looks like it was pretty easy to me. Off. On. And let's do the headphone shake test. I'm sure my glasses will fall off way before my headphones do. Yeah, seems quite steady. Alright guys, so I was looking for the on button because there's only volume down and volume up here, but the on button is actually this red logo here. This one is just, doesn't work, obviously, and there's no buttons on this side, but on this side, this is the button right here. And let's see if we get a light anywhere. Maybe not. Okay. Oh, what is this here? Is that that's the USB port for charging. Cool. But anyway, guys, let me listen to them for a bit and let you know how they sound. Guys, I found the light. The light is in here. Can you see it? Going red and blue, red and blue, red and blue. Let's just get the focus on that. There you go. There you go. Also, it says right on the end there, and it says left on the end there, just in case you forget which side is which. Alright guys, so let's get them connected via Bluetooth. I thought I would just record my phone so you can literally see how long it takes for them to connect. Right, now if I just go to my camera and I'll show you that they are in pairing mode. You can tell by the red and blue light there. And now I'm going to go to my Bluetooth settings and let's try and find where it is. Pair new device. This is a OnePlus 6T, by the way. Mugo straight away. Let's see how long it takes. Still pairing. Do you want to give it access to my history? And there we go, 100, and it even has a battery indicator on there as well. So yeah, I'm gonna listen to some music now, and I'll get back to you in a bit. Yo guys, these are very wild. The bass is very much there, and I would say the highs are there. I'm not too sure about the mids. I'm not an audiophile, by the way, but I listen to a lot of hip hop, R&B kind of thing, and a lot of grime. You know, when I'm listening to the bass line and them kind of things there, it sounded nice. Now, what was weird was for the first, I think maybe 10, 15 seconds, 20 seconds of listening to it, it sounded like the bass was overpowering, like it wasn't EQ'd properly. So I disconnected them from my phone, reconnected them to my phone, and they either sounded normal or I got used to the sound. I'm not too sure what it was, but yeah, definitely for £20, wow, they're basically power beats. Check power beats, fam. They're basically power beats right now. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If this helped, leave a thumbs up. I'll catch you in the next one. Bless.